So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll cover another amazing lab that is Kubernetes engine security with binary authorization. So first of all, click on Start Lab and open Console Incognito window. Now, if you are new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel for more such amazing videos. So it's getting signed in automatically here. You don't need username and password. If it asks, you can refer to the lab for it. Click on I understand. Now again, here click on I agree and then click on I agree and continue. Now here, basically we'll be using the Cloud Shell. So first of all, you need to activate the Cloud Shell like this. And now in the description box of this video, I shared the repository as you have seen earlier part of this video. So now let me show you. Here we have to do some manual task also. So follow the video along with me. Now you have to just click on continue and authorize yourself and wait for the Cloud Shell session to become active. Here you have to just paste the command from the GitHub repo. If you haven't pasted it, check the GitHub repo for it. Now wait for these commands to execute. It will take some time, so you need to wait for it. Here basically we have to wait for some time. Apart from this, if you are new to the arcade program and want to participate and earn swags, you can check out the videos present in the playlist. Also check out the channel for more such contents. Apart from these, if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe it and like the video. Here you have to just hit enter multiple times. So let me show you how you will complete this part. So first of all, if you hit check my progress, let's see whether we get score or not. So now here, just now again hit enter button. Now wait for these commands to execute. After that we have to modify some files, I mean some sections. So wait for it. So ignore this error. If you see this error, no need to worry about it. Now from here, open this console link. Now here, click on edit policy. And from here, we have to select the updated rule. So let me show you how you will select. So here you have to just edit type. Click on three dots and just edit it. So here click on require attestance. Now here for the name, you have to make one change here. You have to just add by any resource ID. So just click on it. Now for resource ID, let me show you how you'll find the resource ID. Here is the resource ID name. Make sure to copy it carefully and then just click on the below, that is add one attester. So finally it has been added. Now click on submit and just save it. So wait for the policy to save, and once it's updated, we'll move forward to the cloud shell session and just type Y and hit enter. Now wait for these commands to execute. It will again take some more time, and after that we'll again hit check my progress and see whether we get score or not. Meanwhile, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe it and like the video. Now here it's deleting the clusters. So now let's hit check my progress and see whether we get score or not. So just refresh the browser and try again. If you want to know how to enable the check my progress, you can check the description. And as you can see, we got the score without any issue. If you face issue, wait for the cluster to fully delete and then try again. Thank you guys. Have a great day.